as you all know that Citro BioShield is India's #1 antimicrobial disinfectant solution. It is completely organic and it is non-alcoholic, non-carcinogenic and non-odorless also. Now we have already discussed about a lot of clinical trials about Citrus BioShield and its products and its benefits and all these things to the public. A lot of researches was also being done, and we have lab reports which has been proven also that it has the capacity to arrest the corona, which is on the air, the aerosols which can be arrested, and it has also got the capacity to kill the virus which is there on the air. So mainly to arrest this aerosols on air, these kind of drones is the next big thing which has to be initiated. Now this drones is a wonderful concept by Team Daksha, mentored by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and the entire Anna University. Mr. Dr. Sendil Kumar is the brainchild behind this. And this drones has got a special capacity which is called as ultra low volume sprayers. Now using this ultra low volume sprayers, a combination of Citrus BioShield will not only just stop the spread, it will also kill the aerosols, mainly aerosols which is there on air. So this can be used in surface disinfectants. This can also be used in containment zones and red zone areas. Not only in hospitals, out of the hospitals also we can be using the solution. As you all know, Citrus BioShield solution is already being used in hospitals also for fumigation process inside the ICUs as well as the operation theatres. So this product was not being found for corona. This is there in the market for years together now. So at coming up with one point of time where using this drones and this product, the combination was very good, and we did a trial in Chennai, and Team Daksha has successfully implemented it, and finally here we are in Karnataka, in Bangalore, where we have just done this demonstration, and it proved out to be very successful. So overall, the only simple message what I want to give is the content doesn't matter, end of the day, context matters. So sincere thanks to Team Daksha and entire team behind this, creating these drones, and Citro BioShield also. Plus, I would also want to show my gratitude to Mr. Tala Ajit Kumar sir for being a mentor for this project for the last 10 years, and without his support this could have not been flourished this big. So it is APJ Abdul Kalam's message for the country. Whenever there is a need and whenever there is a crisis in the country, these kind of drones has to come for the public also. So that is how this whole thing is concepted. Small minds will always talk about others, and great minds will always share ideas. That's what I believe in. And this is a CSR initiative from Sugardhana for the benefit of mankind, crossing borders. So, like you see, I mean, it is not only restricted for the people of Karnataka or people of Tamil Nadu. So it is for the mankind, and this is completely a CSR initiative where we are doing. Definitely, very soon, Government of Karnataka and Government of Tamil Nadu is going to come forward, and we have already given the proposals for implementing these kind of technology for this corona. They will be coming up with more news about it. So I don't want to comment on that. But as of now, it is completely a CSR initiative. Thanks to Team Daksha, and thanks to Dr. Sendil Kumar, and thanks to Dr. Ramanathan, who is the CEO of Daksha also. See, it's not only for rural or urban, it is for the whole country, in fact for the whole world. As Dr. Sendil Kumar said, we have the solution, this is the solution. As I said rightly, content doesn't matter, context matters. So this is the context, and end of the day, with this kind of a technology and with this kind of a solution, we can definitely stop and spread, stop the spread and also kill the corona.